This is Epson Workforce Pro WF-M4119DW. This printer is with Wi-Fi connection, Wi-Fi direct, and Ethernet. A4 double-sided printing, print speed to 2 print per minute. So this is what we have here. We're going to unbox this product. Nice. This is the packaging here. So you have this disc that contains this driver and the software and the information pack. And one ink cartridge. Ink for setup. Power cable, 3-pin power cable. Nice. To carry this printer, you need to put your hand this corner and this side to be able to lift it up. I like the color. So this is the front panel here. So you have the serial number, the password, and the ink cartridges holder just by the corner here. And this is the front panel. You switch this on and off from this button. Then this button is for you to go to home. This is with LCD screen, paper tray, and you can adjust this. So the papers, you have A4 liter, 8x10, number 10 paper, A5, 5x7, C6, and 4x6 photo paper. So with this, just need to hold this holder, move it for you to adjust it accordingly. Then hold this one to the side and extend it.